Hello students, in this video I'll discuss about heat transformation. So there are three ways to transfer heat from one part to another part. So what are the names of that three process? That is conduction, convection and radiation. So first one is conduction. What do you mean by conduction? Conduction is the process of transfer of heat from the hot end to the cold end from particle to particle of the medium. So in this process, in conduction, you need one medium. You need one medium. Medium is required for the transfer of heat by conduction. You have to remember this one. Second one is convection. Convection is the process of heat transfer by the actual movement of the medium particles. So this is the keywords, actual movement of the medium particles. We have to remember these keywords. Now in convection, transfer of heat is always vertically upward. That means from in this way. If heat will transfer vertically upward in this direction, it will transfer. We have to remember this one also. So in conduction, you need one medium to transfer the heat. Second one, convection. In convection, transfer transfer of heat is always vertically upwards. 3 number, radiation. Radiation is the process of heat transfer in which heat directly passes from one body at high temperature to another body at lower temperature without affecting the medium. So in radiation from high temperature, this one is high, this one is low, but there should be no medium. Okay, no medium will be there in case of radiation. So in this video I have told you different types of uh, transformation of heat. You have to remember all the type and you have to understand also. Okay, thank you all.